Autism is a serious neurodevelopmental disorder that impairs a person's ability to communicate and interact. Children with autism often engage in repetitive physical movements called stimming behaviors to self-soothe. One of the most common types of stimming behaviors is known as hand flapping, which ranges from hand clapping to hitting one's hand against their head, and can pose a significant danger to these patients' physical health. Currently, there is no effective tool to soothe stimming other than simple distraction toys. Our solution is Stim Soothe. Stim Soothe is an Internet of Things based device that leverages machine learning to detect and reduce stimming behaviors in children with autism. Our solution is twofold. First, a bracelet collects acceleration values of the movement of the wearer. We trained a machine learning model that predicts the type of behavior occurring using Python and TensorFlow. This algorithm is currently capable of differentiating between 6 behaviors: walking, running, stair climbing, writing, intense clapping, and handshaking. The acceleration values are then passed into this machine learning model in real time. The algorithm processes these values and then predicts what type of behavior is occurring. If the behavior is predicted to be stimming, then the device turns on a series of 5 vibration motors which are used to help soothe the person and ideally reduce the intensity of the stimming behavior. The predicted behavior is sent to a real-time database called Firebase.
The next part of the solution is an app that takes data from Firebase to notify a caretaker if the patient is stimming, among other functionalities. When the app is opened, the first page that is available displays the type of behavior that is occurring. Additionally, the app displays the accuracy of the prediction. If the device detects stimming, the caretaker is notified immediately, and the app recommends sending a vibration. The next page on the app allows the user to enter information on the autistic patient. This information is then processed by the app and is used to create a series of recommendations on the settings that the bracelet should be set at to be most effective. The third page shows real-time data on a graph that displays the number of stimming behaviors over each hour. At the bottom of that page, the app displays information which may be useful in isolating factors that could trigger this behavior. The fourth page allows for the user to be able to change the settings of the device. Specifically, the app allows for a therapist to change the intensity of the vibrations that are activated when stimming behavior occurs. A recommendation is shown for the vibration intensity based on the biometric data provided earlier. Additionally, the app allows the caretaker to manually activate the vibrations as shown on the database. This can be helpful if the patient is overly hyper for the non-stimming related reasons. The final page provides more information on stimming behavior, including a link to learn more about stimming behavior. The app was programmed in Java and XML through Android Studio. It complements the device to help autistic patients who stim.